Hi, this is Shintate. This is my website that I made for my interactive module. Um, my topic was over calculus and the different applications of it. So I just had a short summary of the history of calculus and then a video about the uses of calculus and what you can use for them. And then I had the different functions for review right here. So this is my homepage. So I would probably put review on here as the weeks go by, so I could actually keep up to date with whatever I would be teaching in the classroom or keeping up to date with the lessons. I have three different tabs. So the first one is differentiation, which is one half of the course. I would have a video right here and then presentation right here over the lesson. And then there's a short description of each of these tabs. These I have connected to a cheat sheet. So if I go over to the published site, then it would go to just a quick page that they can use throughout the semester so that they can use that. And then I have a reference to Khan Academy so they can learn more if they need to. So I have differentiation, I have integration. Integration is typically second semester, so I left that sort of blank, but I did put a video here for summation, and I did link cheat sheets in Khan Academy for it. And then my quizzes, I put a quiz that's embedded into the website, that way it's easily accessed, but I also allowed for a pop-out so that students can use that instead. I use Google Sites for my website creation, and I think my favorite part of it was just figure out the layout because it's really easy to use.